In the book Bugs Don't Hug Six-Legged Parents and Their Kids, written by Heather Montgomery, we take a look at all of the ways bugs are not like us. For example, they do not hug. They also don't have dirty diapers. They don't play peekaboo. They are not picky eaters. They don't cradle little ones. They don't make soup. There's so many ways they're not like us. But as you start to read about these bugs, you might find out that they actually do have things in common with us. So if you love reading about bugs and you like learning, as I know you do, and you'd like to learn more about these bugs, here are some of the bugs that you could learn about. Crickets and beetles and shield bugs and Arctic bumblebees. And of course, I know you want to know more about the rainbow dung beetle. And there's a whole nother page with more. Be sure to read Bugs Don't Hug.